What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Land Rover Discovery Smart Key Remote Fob. This Land Rover Discovery key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is grab our key fob, and this metal piece on the side right here, this silver piece, what I'm going to do is slide it up just a little bit. So it'll slide up about that far, and then it'll pull off of there like that. And now this item right here is going to be our emergency key, so go ahead and get that out of its holder. Then what I'm going to do is take the emergency key and put it in this slot right here, like that. And then just use it to pry these two halves apart, like that. And if your emergency key is missing, you can use a flathead screwdriver. But once you get the case started, we can pull it the rest of the way apart like that. And in this half, we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide that into place in that holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. And then we'll put our emergency key back in its holder. And the final thing we need to do is replace this metal piece. So it'll push on like that, and then just slide it down to lock it into place. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.